I went to Ulta again and I spent money on makeup again when I'm supposed to be saving money because I had a 20% off coupon, and I've had my eye on this eyeshadow palette, and I was like, I'm just gonna go look. I'm just gonna go look before I go to class. So I got it. I got it. And I'm so excited to have this palette. This is the new Urban Decay Born to Run palette. It just came out very recently. So pretty. So here it is. This is the packaging. It's super heavy. It's got a magnetic case here. And all these really pretty little traveling places, because obviously this palette is supposed to be great for traveling, because inside these beautiful shadows can create so many looks. So this should be like the only palette you need to take when you go traveling, because you've got mattes, you've got shimmers, you've got pretty much everything you need to create a million different looks. There are some really fun, bold colors. You've got some nice neutrally shades across the top here for like your everyday looks. Some browns and blacks to do liner or whatever, smoky eyes. Pretty much there's just a bunch that you can do with this palette. Today I am going to play with the shadows. This is an eye look video. So I'm going to go ahead and do my face, and I'm going to put that in speed mode, and then I will slow it down while I do the eyes so I can talk you through me doing this eyeshadow look. So if you want to see how I use the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, then just keep on watching, and let's go play with some makeup. Jump into the fun part of this video. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Woo, woo. I'm so excited. I start by priming my eyes using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Since I'm using an Urban Decay eyeshadow palette, why not? Why not use an eyeshadow base or an eyeshadow primer from Urban Decay? So let's go ahead and just have this on my lid. I don't know if I use this thing wrong because I'm always scratching the crap out of my eyelid. I don't know if you could see. Like, it goes down, and I always use this bottom flat side. Maybe I'm supposed to use it this way. Maybe it's supposed to actually, like, fit around your eyeball. Yeah, that doesn't hurt. Yeah, that feels way better. Okay, I'm just gonna use this little fluffy brush. Little fluffy shadowy brush, and just buff that in. Oh, excuse the, I'm baking while I do this in case I have any fallout with my eyeshadow, so that's why I have all this powder underneath my eyes. I'm gonna let that sit there, do my eyeshadow, and then when I am done, I will clean it up and finish my face. What is that? Ew. I mean, I don't use this one too much because I feel like it always looks funky. I don't know if you can see that. Like, it looks all crusty. I'm gonna cover that crust with some pretty eyeshadows. I'm gonna go ahead and set my lid. So scared to dig into this palette because it's so pretty and I don't want to mess it up. I'm gonna use Weekender and I'm going to pack that all over my lid to create a base and kind of just set this crusty ass primer. Hopefully this eyeshadow will just cover up that crust. Pretty? Pretty, pretty. I will use my little Lexi 249. And I'm going to go in with the color Riff. Ooh, maybe I should use this mirror that they gave me. There's a reason they gave you a mirror. And I'm going to start working that into the crease. In little circular motions. It's blending. Oops. It's blending really nicely. Super buttery and super smooth. Like on the other side. Yay for new eyeshadow palettes. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. Riff, like this is, it's such a pretty color. This is like the type of color that I wear like on a everyday type of basis. Like honestly, I would do this. I will take my original color brush just to blend out those edges. And then I would probably pop on Breakaway all over the lid. And that would be like my everyday like simple look. But today I am plain and I'm gonna dig into these colors. So, and I'm gonna go in with Baja. We're gonna deepen up this crease. Woo! Oh my. Oh my. These shadows. They're so pigmented. So I'm just, again, blending that into the crease and building up that color. I'm going to take Wanderlust, this green one. I'm actually going to use this little flat brush. And I'm going to work that again right into the crease. Mostly like around the outer edge and leaving that little center untouched because I'm gonna fade that into a brighter color. Ooh la la. Gonna use the same brush, I'm gonna flip it over and then I'm gonna grab Big Sky and we're gonna pop that right into the middle. And this is like dry. This is dry shadow. I didn't even have to put Fix Plus or anything. Wow. Wow. Little tapered blending brushes that I used in the crease with that Baja orange color. And I'm gonna just blend it again to make sure that my green and my orange blend nicely. What do you think? I like it. I wanted like a super green look, but I like the orange as a transition color. I think it's looking good. You know what? You know what? We're gonna do a spritzy spritz just to see. Let's see what happens when it's wet, because if this is dry, okay. So now it's a little more metallic. I like that even better. Once more for the other side. Big Sky, that color is gorgeous. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Alright, let's go blend again. Blending again with the Baja. Crease color. Blend, blend, blend. And blend, blend, blend. And then I'm gonna go reverse back into my first transition color with the bigger, fluffier, and a little bit of Riff. And just blend that out again. Yep, these colors definitely blend very nicely. And then again with my very original base color, Weekender. Ooh la la, I'm happy with that. Go wipe away that fallout. Yeah, yeah. And I'm gonna dust off the rest of the powder that I had set over my face to bake. I'm gonna take a little pencil brush, and I'm grabbing Blaze because it just looks powerful. I want to spray it. taking my NYX Epic Ink liner. I'm trying to keep that really thin because I do not want to cover up the green. Perfect. So these are the Nicole Guerriero Faux Flawless Foam Ink lashes. So I went ahead and popped on the lashes, and now let's go ahead and finish up the eyes. I'm gonna put a little green underneath my eyes, and I'm gonna hope to God that my eyes do not water for the rest of the evening. I think I've said this before, my eyes are super sensitive, and shadow on the bottom a lot of times makes my eyes water and then my nose run, and it's just a mess like for the rest of the day. Urban Decay, please, please don't make me cry. Okay, I'm gonna try this little B16 little tiny flat brush and Wanderlust. Here we go. And I'm just running that along the lash line, just diffusing the edges. These eyelashes though, they're pissing me off. I want to rip them off so flippin' bad. I just may end the video by ripping them off. Take my Rimmel, because I don't have Urban Decay, Rimmel London Waterproof Kohl Pencil in like a nude color, and pop it in the waterline. Then I want to add a little more green. Going in with Big Sky and a pencil brush. I'm done. I'm done. Let's put some mascara on the bottom lashes. I don't know what kind of accent that was. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish up my face. This completes my look using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I am super impressed. The colors blended out very nicely. They're super buttery, super creamy. They were easy to work with. They have a very great pigment. I think it's super worth it. It was $49, I believe. Perfect travel palette. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join my little beginning YouTube family. I love making these videos and I need your support in order to make some more and grow my channel and get better. So leave me any comments or feedback that you have. I would love to hear it. Let me know what other videos you want to see. Give me some thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful week and I will see you next week. Bye-bye! This palette would be perfect for traveling. I'm totally not traveling anywhere soon. Hopefully I'll be driving somewhere soon. For now, the only place I'm traveling to is to Starbucks, Ulta, and work. And maybe the grocery store. But hopefully somewhere soon. Urban Decay? Urban Decay, you want to send me... Let's see. Anywhere? Anywhere on here? Vegas? I'm fine with Vegas. I will wear all your products in Vegas, I promise.